All right, so now let's talk about creating a benefit-driven, outcome-driven headline. This is one of the most important pieces of your profile because it tells individuals when they land on your profile what exactly you do, how you can help them, right? The outcome that you generate for them. Because nobody really cares about your accomplishments, what you've done. Hey, I'm the CEO here, I'm the CEO there. All they care about is the fact that you are a individual that can help them, right, accomplish whatever goal that they may have or whatever problem that they may have, that you can help them solve them or help them generate more leads and sales, whatever that may be, right? So automatically LinkedIn's going to populate your title if you're the CEO or founder of XYZ company. You do not want to have that unless you're looking for like a job. But still, I would not recommend having a simple default headline there. So you can go ahead and change your headline to highlight your specialty, like I mentioned, where you're speaking directly to your target audience. So this is an example here of a headline that tells people exactly what this particular individual does. So I help entrepreneurs grow their business. I help entrepreneurs and their businesses obtain the financing they need to grow. So that is a perfect example of people landing on this particular profile and then them knowing exactly what this individual does and how it can help them. Now, I would even take this a bit further. So I would say something along the lines of, I help XYZ people accomplish XYZ goal through XYZ mechanism. Okay. So the first part is what you do. I help XYZ people, right? Your particular market accomplish X, Y, and Z, right? What do you help them accomplish? Lose weight, make more money, close more sales, more leads. And then your third one would be the actual mechanism, how you go about accomplishing that. But this is kind of more of an example here for you to have. But those three key elements there are going to help your profile really stand out.